Hello, my name is Dora Chavarría. I'm the Enterprise Solutions Manager at Mayan Technologies, and today I'm going to show you how to activate the changelog to trace changes made and preview the records. We need to go to our main menu, and then under System Management, Business Process Management, we will open Data Directive Maintenance. Under the directive list, please make sure to change on the drop-down to Data Directives. Now, search for the table you want to modify. In this case, I'm going to look for PO header. Select it and click OK. Now, we are going to select this third icon and click in transaction to select it and select or click the Add New button. Change the directive name to a desired name. Select the Enable checkbox and click OK. Now select Changelog and drag and drop to our grid. You can place it just aside of the Start icon. Click on the Start square and make sure to link both icons. Once this is done, click on the changelog square and select the link of the action. Log changes to the selected fields of the specified table. Click the specified word. Now here you will select the fields that you want to keep track of the changes. In this case, I'm going to enter terms code and click OK. Click on Save, and now we can close this screen. Now, if we go to Purchase Order Entry, we can open any PO and modify the terms. In this case, we will need to unapprove it in order to change the terms to COD and save it. Now we can see we have a red dot on the changelog viewer because we have a new record. You can either click here, click on the link of the date and see the change or the log detail, or we can go to our main menu and look for the change log report. We can filter by the table we just added, which was the PO header, and print preview the report. Now we got a notification that the report is ready. We can open the report and we will see the changelog of the terms, the date, the PO number, and who did the change, the hour that the change was made, and the change of the terms. Thank you for watching.